What are the different types of hedonism? Have you ever wondered how pleasure fits into our lives and ethical choices? The concept of hedonism offers a fascinating perspective on this. Let's break down the different types of hedonism, especially as they relate to ancient Greece and the history of ethics. First, we have psychological hedonism. This idea suggests that our actions are driven by the desire for pleasure and the avoidance of pain. It does not mean we should always act on these impulses, but it highlights how pleasure and pain influence our behavior. Next is ethical hedonism, which connects hedonism to moral principles. This type argues that seeking pleasure and avoiding pain are the highest moral goals. Ethical hedonism can be further divided into two main categories. The first is egoistic hedonism. This version states that individuals should focus on their own pleasure. It suggests that caring about others is only important if it benefits oneself. This perspective can lead to a more self-centered approach to ethics. The second category is utilitarian hedonism, also known as classical utilitarianism. This form argues that everyone's happiness is equally important. It promotes maximizing overall happiness, even if it means sacrificing personal pleasure for the greater good. Another type is axiological hedonism. This theory claims that pleasure is the only intrinsic good. It suggests that we value things based on their ability to produce pleasure, rather than any other qualities they may have. In the context of ethics and morality, hedonism raises important questions about how we should live. Ethical hedonism challenges traditional moral views by suggesting that actions are right if they maximize pleasure and minimize pain. This can spark debates about whether pleasure should be the main guiding principle for our decisions. These theories can also influence how individuals and societies approach personal happiness and moral obligations. For example, utilitarian hedonism might support policies aimed at increasing overall happiness, even if it requires individual sacrifices. On the flip side, egoistic hedonism could lead to more self-focused choices. Understanding the different types of hedonism provides a framework for discussing complex ethical and moral questions about pleasure's role in our lives. Each type offers a unique lens through which we can examine our values and decisions.